Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a cafe you like to visit. You should say where it is, what kind of food and drinks it serves, and explain why you like to go there. So before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. So first word is rejuvenate. It means refresh. Next is lingua franca, it means common language. Next is scrumptious, which means delicious or tasty. Next is mocha, it is a type of coffee and its right pronunciation is mocha, not mocha. Next is espresso, it is also a type of coffee and its right pronunciation is espresso. Next is cappuccino, it is another type of coffee and the right pronunciation is cappuccino. So, without wasting time, let's begin. I am an outgoing person. I love to go to restaurants and cafes to not only kill my leisure time but also to rejuvenate my mind. Here I would like to talk about a cafe I like to visit. It is Moodlift Cafe situated at Ahmedgarh, which is a small town near my village. There is a very interesting story behind why I like this cafe. I always read books and watch videos on YouTube to improve my pronunciation and enhance vocabulary of English language since it has become the lingua franca. Once I came across a video about different type of coffees with their right pronunciations. Since I live in a village and never went to a big city, I never got a chance to visit any cafe. When my friend told me that a new cafe opened in Ahmedgarh, I did not want to miss a chance to visit it. Initially, I visited this cafe once a week so that I can order different type of coffee such as mocha, espresso, cappuccino, etc. with right pronunciation and to know the difference of their taste. However, my mother found my behavior crazy. Apart from this, it also provides different types of baked goods and scrumptious snacks such as french fries, pastries. Another reason to like this cafe is its layout and atmosphere. Its interior and exterior is really attractive. Beautiful artwork and pictures are hung on the walls that enhance the beauty of this cafe. Besides, woodcraft tables and chairs make cafe look more elegant. The ambience is warm and relaxing. There is soft music and a friendly environment. Hence, whenever I want to spend qualitative time with either my friends or by myself, then this cafe is my first choice as it cheers me up. In the end, I would like to say it is an amazing and wonderful place to visit. I just love this place. So that's it for this session. I hope you like this video. Then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.